All right, so we just received the 2 set of floating bookshelves. This is the pine wood invisible shelf for unique spaces. Here's everything you're going to get in the box, and I'm going to show you quickly how to go ahead and assemble it. Now this is a 2-pack, so you're going to get 4 of these wrought iron sidebars here. You're going to get a package of screws, a package of anchors, you're going to get a level, and you're going to get the wood shelves. Now you're going to go ahead and take the flat-ended screw and you're going to go ahead and put 2 in on each side of the shelf, as you can tell here. It will also come complete with the Phillips screwdriver, so you just go ahead and tighten those real tight, do it on both sides, and then we're going to go ahead and anchor it into the wall. This is made of pine wood and quality elastic bands. It's got the thick wrought iron supports, and it's basically modern minimalism, so it's an attractive solution for maximizing storage. What's great about these is its load capacity is about 50 pounds. As you can tell here, we went ahead and installed them in my son's room. This is one of the shelves. And if you know the Percy Jackson books, which we're using there, those are pretty thick books. So these can take a good stretching, okay? So you're just gonna basically slide them in here, just like this, and it's gonna have a front and a back. This is very creative. We were sent this to test out and we really like it. My son thought this was so cool because it actually looks like the books, are underneath the shelf, which is so different. I guess that's why we really liked it. It's very eye-catching. So we highly recommend this. Very cool looking. We're going to go ahead and hang that second shelf, and that way he can display all of his books, and he has room on top of the shelf to actually put items now. So super excited. Highly recommend. Very quality, well made.